What the heck is a clarifying shampoo and how often do I need to use it? If you're asking this question, you come to the right place. Hey everyone, I'm Becca. I am a hairstylist and I love to bring you hair video content about pop culture, about products, all the things. We're talking about clarifying shampoos today, how often you should use them, what you shouldn't do with them, all sorts of things. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications every time I post new videos. You can follow me on all of my things. Make sure to stay to the end of this video because I will give you a little hair hack if you don't actually want to buy a clarifying shampoo. And let's get into it. Some of my favorite clarifying shampoos are Redken has one, or Bay has a clarifying conditioner kind of thing. I really like Detox Shampoo by Kevin Murphy is one of my favorites. Sunday Shampoo by Bumble and Bumble, although if you're sensitive to certain ingredients, that one might cause your scalp to get itchy. It doesn't happen for everybody, but some people it does. There are a lot of good clarifying shampoos out there. I'm skeptical and I don't even use any clarifying shampoo that you can buy from the grocery store. I just don't like them because I like clarifying shampoos that are going to get rid of the dirt, debris, and outside contaminants, but maintain the integrity of your scalp and maintain the integrity of your natural oils. It's a lot to ask for, but that's why I usually gravitate towards professional or higher end clarifying shampoos because it's just gonna be better for your hair over time. How often should you be using a clarifying shampoo? Great question. You can use a clarifying shampoo every couple weeks. I would stray away from using it every week, especially if you're somebody that goes a few days in between washes. Bumble and Bumble's clarifying shampoo is called Sunday Shampoo because it's once a week, clarify your hair and it'll be great. I like to tend to a couple times a month just because I personally think that overusing clarifying shampoo can strip your color a little bit faster, although the science behind that isn't really backed up. It's just a feeling. And I don't want to, if you're somebody that's gonna use a lower end clarifying shampoo, it can dry your hair out pretty quickly. So I wouldn't want you to use it once a week. And definitely don't use it every time you shampoo. If you are someone that goes a long time in between shampoos, like a week to 2 weeks, you can actually use a clarifying shampoo every time you shampoo because you really need to get all of that debris out of your hair. I use a clarifying shampoo on every single one of my clients when they come in. I don't know what is in their hair. I don't know what they're using at home, especially if they're new clients. I'm always using either a cream clarifying shampoo by Bay, or I'm using the Detox Shampoo by Kevin Murphy before every shampoo that I do at the salon. It really gives your hair its best opportunity to be healthy and to do what I want it to do when you're at the salon with me. So if you're somebody that uses a ton of dry shampoo, a ton of texturizing spray, then using a clarifying shampoo gonna help kind of remove all of that buildup in your hair before you do your regular shampoo and conditioner. The steps that you would do a clarifying shampoo or a detox shampoo, you're gonna use 3 different things. You're gonna use your detox shampoo, you're gonna use your regular shampoo, and then you're gonna use your conditioner or your hair mask, whatever thing you're doing for your cream rinse. A lot of times I like to recommend, if you're doing your clarifying shampoo on one day, do your mask treatment that same day. So it's gonna help kind of give back that hydration, that moisture, those bonding proteins back into your hair after you've clarified it. A lot of the higher end clarifying shampoos are gonna maintain your natural oils, but still you're stripping it of a lot of just gunk and goop and black. So adding your hair mask that same day is a great option. And it's not like you have to do your clarifying shampoo, your regular shampoo, and then wrap your hair up and wait an hour. Just utilize your hair mask as your conditioner that day. Just leave it in a little extra time. So you'll do your detox shampoo, your regular shampoo, and then you'll put your hair mask in, do all your other things that you do in the shower, wait 5 or 10 minutes, and then rinse it out. If you're somebody with really curly or textured hair, I highly recommend using a cream clarifying shampoo. It's gonna be a little softer for your curls, and it's gonna maintain your hydration that you need when you go to clarify your curls or clean your curls. I'd recommend making sure that your clarifying or your detox shampoo is color safe. Like you have brown or reds or coppers, whatever, so it doesn't strip out that color faster. So those lower end sulfates are really going to strip your hair, strip that color out of your hair, and we don't want that, okay? You paid a lot of money for that nice color. You wanna keep it in there. So make sure that you're clarifying your detox shampoo is color safe. If you're somebody that has a lot of blonde in your hair, my tendency is to lean towards using a clarifying shampoo every couple weeks, because a lot of times, especially if you're like a cool blonde, those colors are achieved by using toners, and the more you clarify, the quicker those toners are gonna come out. So you wanna make sure that you're not, again, make sure it's color safe, detox shampoo or clarifying shampoo, but you don't want to over dry out your hair and it become more porous because you're already blonde, and then your toners just don't stay in. So if you don't want to buy a clarifying shampoo or a detox shampoo because you're just like, listen, I've bought way too many products, I don't want to buy any more. Okay, I get it, I honor that. Let's double shampoo every time you wash your hair. So you use a lot of product, you have some buildup, you go to the gym a lot, you sweat, but you're like, I need like to get this stuff out more regularly than every 2 weeks. Fine. Double shampoo every time you shampoo. Okay, I go 4, sometimes 5 days in between washes, and I got a lot of texture spray in there, okay? I need to get that stuff out of my hair. Every time I wash my hair, I double shampoo. Every time. Every single time I double shampoo, which means I actually don't have to clarify as often. I still do like once a month, once every couple weeks, but I double shampoo every single time. Every single time. Every single time. Every single time. Can I say it any louder? Did you hear me in the back? Every single time. Shampoo, shampoo, conditioner, or shampoo, shampoo, mask. It's really how I'm feeling that day. That's your little hack if you don't want to buy a detox shampoo, you don't trust them, you don't believe in them. Totally get it. Just make sure that you're shampooing twice. I have made videos on how to properly shampoo and how to properly condition your hair. I will make sure to link those below or somewhere on the video. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave your questions, your comments in the comment section. I try really hard to get to all my comments. Go follow me. Also hit that subscribe button. I just recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so I don't know where I'd be at this point when you're watching this video, but that's a really big deal for YouTubers to hit that milestone. My next milestone is 100,000. So let's get there. You and me together. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.